Today we will see about our spreadsheet management cryptocurrency. With it you can make the entries of your withdrawals and deposits at the broker in addition to their purchases and sales, which is where you will be able to generate a monthly analysis of their investments, having in hand the best management. This is the dashboard, the main page of our spreadsheet. At the top I can access the pages of registrations, entries and reports, but these steps will be for the next video. I have here in yellow an update button. Whenever you perform a transaction and want to track the results, should be done an update of the data by clicking here. A confirmation message will appear. After that, the option of month and year to be analyzed by the user, and soon after that the user is informed of the analysis period. Clicking on the logo of our channel you can access our site and in See Video access the playlist you are watching containing all the details of this spreadsheet. Right below we have two cards referring to your portfolio, one monthly and one annual. The monthly will bring the data of that month in which it was informed, bringing information such as withdrawals and deposits, if any, number of purchases and sales with information about the fee values, and then the total invested along with the total return, containing a percentage referring to the increase or decrease in gain compared to the previous month. Next to it is a card with the same information, but now with general data of all your movements, the total deposited and withdrawn, how much you have an account available for investments, the fees that were paid and the amount invested and returned. Further below is an annual graph showing how much was bought and how much was sold that month, along with a progression line for total assets. After this chart we again have a portfolio card, but this time with yearly data and a percentage of income compared to the previous year's earnings. Next to this card a graph shows the transaction fees spent for each month. At the end of the dashboard we have two cards and a graph, where the central graph shows the annual result, buy sell, to be made an analysis between how much you are getting back in the month, and the cards with a ranking of great interest to the user, showing which were your most profitable cryptocurrencies and which generated more losses. First step, still on the home page, let's click on register. Here we can return to the beginning by clicking here, where we can then register our currency. I then come in currency and will open the form for registration. I have some already registered here. And then I want to add a new crypto. It's very simple. I come to the new option and just fill in the acronym and the name of that crypt and click save. The ID is brought automatically, and the amount in the portfolio will also be calculated automatically after the buying and selling is done. I have here below the list of the registered coins. I can select one of them to edit if it has a wrong name, and also if I don't want to know that coin anymore or don't want it in my analyses, I can delete it. At the bottom I can go through the pages with the records in case there are several, and I have information such as the total of coins in the portfolio and the total of records. Our registration step is complete, so by coming up here I have access to the database. So to appear our new crypto, just click on the update button and her data will already be here. A confirmation message of the update will appear. Let's go to the launch button. Here we have three options. When starting on this market you make an initial deposit, which means the base money of your investment, so you make a deposit at first. So coming under withdraw and deposit you can enter this initial deposit. See, I put January. You see, I put in January a deposit of 10,000, and I have also made a withdrawal. By entering your deposit and withdrawal transactions you can later monitor the amount in account available for investment and withdrawal. If you want to create a new one, just check the new option, or if you want to edit an existing one, just click on top of the movement that you can edit some name or value and save soon after. After informing the deposits comes the main part, where you make a purchase or sale of your crypto. Let's first, for example, perform a purchase. I then come to purchase. I have here a list of my purchase transactions. I then want to insert a new. I want to insert a new purchase. I check the new option. I put the transaction date, the time if I want. I choose the currency in which I'm buying. I inform if there is a transaction fee, the amount that I invested, the price of that crypto, and then it automatically brings me the amount bought. I can also edit this amount if I want, but then I click on save and this new transaction is already in my list. I can see here the total record of purchases. I can also access the database. I come in database and have a better view of my movements, but do not edit the data here. It can bring future problems if you want to edit or delete something back in launches and change some value directly from the list. I bought the bitcoins. Now I can go back to the main card and update the data, and I will have the new information after that movement. Still on the home page, I will click on the reports option. Here it will already open in one of the report options, which is the annual report. I can then select the year of analysis and which cryptocurrency I want to have the report. Once I choose, the data is brought into the table, and then I can have an analysis of profit/loss of that currency in each specific month, and the most important thing is the option to generate this same table for printing if you want. Just select the print preview button and you are done. I can also change the print template and generate a PDF file of this table. Seeing how the annual report works, I then have two more types of reports, which will tell me all the purchases or all the sales. The desired sales come then in the purchases option, and then it will be all blank. You have to click on generate report. It will open this new window, and here we select on which dates I want to have a report and on which currency I want to receive this information. Leaving blank and giving an OK will update and bring all my purchases, regardless of date or currency, and then just like the annual report, I can view the printout or generate a PDF file. The sales report works the same way. I come to generate the report, put a start and end date, select the cryptocurrency, give an OK and wait to generate this table, and then I have enhanced the sales for that period and currency. This was our cryptocurrency spreadsheet, Bitcoin Control Excel. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.